Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can buy the premium on Deepbrain AI. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the website, and after that we have to create an account. So as you can see, I've already created an account, and after that simply we have to click on the profile section. And after clicking on the profile section, as you can see, these are the plans are provided here. Like if you want to buy this monthly, you can also do that. You have to click on the monthly. If you want to buy this yearly, you can also do that. Simply I'm going to choose the monthly, and the monthly in this option, in this package, you will get these all options, and after that the price will be this, and in this offer you will get these all options and the price will be this. So for example, I want to buy this one, so we have to click on the get started, and after clicking on the get started, you will be redirected to the payment method. Now simply you have to provide the payment details, and after providing the payment details, you have to hit the subscribe and your package will be bought and you can use that. So in this way you can buy a premium of your Deepbrain AI. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.